video tutorial to help practice with Ode to Joy on page 17. Here we are in the key of D major with F sharp and C sharp. So let's first identify our F sharp. That's the high 2 on the D string. Here's my D string. F sharp will sound like this. And you play with your middle finger, the second finger on the D string. Then my third finger, G, which is on the green tape, I believe, goes right above the F sharp second finger. That is what the G sounds like. Okay, let's start from the beginning. I'm going to set my metronome to 63 as the quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.